Shopkins! The Fizzy Toy Show!
Shopkins, we got a little cake. Shopkins, we got a Play-Doh cake. Yeah! Well, hello, everybody. Welcome to the Fizzy Toy Show. Check it out. Oh, yeah, we have a Shopkins Season 3 Play-Doh cake. Ooh la la, looks so yummy. Oh, Miss Hands, I cannot wait a moment longer. Let's get this Shopkins party started. Yeah! Hi everyone, and welcome to the Fizzy Toy Show. Today we have a big Shopkins Play-Doh cake for you. Oh yeah! We have had Shopkins cupcakes, Shopkins Play-Doh cupcakes. We even had Shopkins on donuts for our big Shopkins piñata party. And so I've been seeing some of these Play-Doh cakes on other shows and they look super duper cute, and I thought, hey, why don't we make one for Shopkins? Woo! And speaking of these Play-Doh cakes, one of the prettiest ones I've ever seen is on my Kawaii Family's channel. They did a Wendy wedding cake. It's super awesome. Check it out. All right, let's take a closer look at this cake. Oh, Miss Hands! Yeah, Fizzy?
Do we get to eat the cake now?
Eat the cake, Fizzy. It's made of Play-Doh.
Play-Doh? What are you talking about?
Fizzy, did you think it was a real cake we were gonna eat?
Yes!
Oh, I'm sorry. It's made of Play-Doh and it has surprises inside.
Oh, surprises! Oh, open it up, open it up, open it up!
So we have a bunch of Shopkins from Season 3 hanging out on our cake. And on top we have Fred. Justice for Fred. Me. Elsa Surprise Eggs. Surprise Egg and Toy Collector. A couple of us out there think Fred should be more than just a common. He's so cool. So we say, Justice for Fred! All right, let's go ahead and take a look at this top tier. See what we have here. Ooh, a Season 3 basket and a frozen fashion. Well, it is a Shopkins show, so let's go ahead and open up the blind basket. Oh yeah. I can't wait to see who we got. It looks like we got... Oh yes, it's a Terry Taco in the house. Terry Taco is from International Food and he is so awesome. In fact, we had him on top of the cake. Oh, twin Terrys, woo! It's a double-decker Terry Taco, woo! Have you ever seen a double-decker taco? Now you have, whoop whoop! All right guys, let's see who we got in here. Ah, Justice for Fred's in the house. Hey Fred. So this is Ginger Fred. Oh, and I just love him. Would you guys like to see him on an egg? All right, how about we check out this frozen fashion? Ooh. So we've only opened, I think, 3 of these, and we have 2 Olafs and 1 of these Pabby Trolls. Let's see who we get. All right, guys, we got Sven. Oh, look at Sven. Oh my goodness, he is so cute. His little antlers, they don't stick up very high. Look at his face. Now that is one cute Sven. Now we gotta give him a good squish. And another squish. Oh my goodness. And his body down here, it's sticky and rubbery, but you can't squish it. There's no water in there. Just a little bit of water in the head. So, on the squish meter, little Sven and these frozen fashions get a 6. They are not very squishy, but they are super duper cute. Oh! All right, time for our next layer on the cake. See what we have. Ooh, it doesn't want to come off. Oh no! Shopkins down! Shopkins!
Shopkins!
Ooh, what do you think this is? Oh yeah, it is a Season 3 5-pack. Awesome! We're always looking for the Chalk Frosted Shopkins. They're the ultra rare ones. And we would love to get some limited edition cool jewels. Let's open it up and see who we got. So here's our little 5-pack. Up first we have Fiona Fries. and she is from International Food. And Fiona Fries is a common and so delicious looking. Wink, wink. Up next we have Flappy Cap. Of course, Flappy Cap is from hats, and Flappy Cap is a common. And did you know that Flappy Cap goes with Snug Ugg? Ooh, yay! Up next we have Peachy, and Peachy is from Fruit and Veg, and Peachy is also a common and very cute dog. I'm very excited about this one, you guys. Justice for Fred! Oh my goodness, this is a new one for us. We have a bunch of the orange ginger Freds, but we do not have this awesome green and purple one. Oh my goodness, you guys, I love these colors. So it has purple and a little bit of pink there, pink on the back, and it is just super duper cute. Justice for Fred. Ever since I did the stacking challenge, I can't stop stacking Shopkins, ginger Freds, and Flappy Cap on Snug Ugg. All right, that means we have our mystery Shopkin left. Let's see who we got. Ooh, I hope it's chalk frosted. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, I get very excited when I see new ones. And this one looks like it's chalk frosted and I don't know who it is. Oh, it's a washing machine though. You guys, I'm so excited. As if you couldn't tell. We got Washa. She is in homewares and she is ultra rare chalk frosted. Washa, look how cute this one is. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I love the homeware stuff. They have the cutest little things. She even has some chocolate bubbles up there. This is so cute. Washa's hanging out with Sven. All right, let's see what's on our bottom tier of this cake. All right, guys, time to see what's underneath up here. Oh no, I knocked down a gingerbread. All right, guys, it's a 12-pack. Oh yeah. All right, guys, here is our 12-pack. And it has the special edition polished pearl. There it is right there. And again, we're looking for the cool jewels. And maybe we have one right there. Oh, I hope so. Up first, we have Fiona Fries again, this time in red, and she is super cute. Yummy. They're the two Fiona Fries together. How cute are they? We have the delectable Alana banana bread. She is looking so very cute with her tongue out. Whoa! Check it out. We got another Flappy Cap. This time, this one is yellow and pink. It's super cute. Flappy, 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 flappy. Because you can never have too much Taco Terry. Here's another Taco Terry from International Foods. Awesome sauce. Up next, we have the fabulous Beverly Hills. She has a blue bow on the back. She's looking oh so fabulous. Woo woo. Is it me or is this carrot a little wild? Haha, this is Wild Carrot from Fruit and Veg. What a cute little carrot. Wink. Here we have Queen of Tarts from Bakery, and Queen of Tarts is a common. Look, there's a little heart on top. Oh, what a cute little Shopkin. Ooh. Check it out, guys. It's Frosty Fridge. Frosty Fridge is another one of my favorites. It's just so cute. Its little tongue is out. Oh, it's adorable. Woo! From International Food, we have Scony. This Scony is a common and super cute. Oh, Scony. Alright guys, you know how Miss Hands loves stationery. These are the special edition Shopkins for season 3. And this is Noni Notebook. Look how cute Noni is. With a little bookmark ribbon coming down, some pink pages, and those adorable glasses. Oh, Noni. My Noni. You know what time it is. Blind basket time. Alright guys, I hope we get limited edition. Oh, let's see who we got. Limited edition, no. You guys are like, Miss Hands, that joke is getting old. So we have the beautiful Tony Topper. She is rare and is in hats and is so fancy. Woo, Tony Topper. Last chance for limited edition. Come on. Let's see what we got. Woo! Whoa, you guys. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, it's another new one. And it's another stationery. I think this is Erica Eraser. Let me look her up. It is Erica Eraser. Look at her. Oh my goodness, she's so cute. Look at that little face. Oh, race, 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 race. I'm so excited to have another stationery. This is Awesome Sauce.
Awesome.
Here is our Awesome Sauce.
Awesome.
Shopkins that we got out of the cake and that we decorated the cake with, plus Sven. Why not throw a little Sven in there? The assistant loves Sven. Oh my goodness, he's a wild man. So what did you guys think of the cake? Would you like to see more Play-Doh cakes? Let me know down in the comments below. If you want to see more cake, say yes, cake. Or I want to see more cakes, or cake, or anything really. Alright guys, I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Goodbye. Hands. Those are some super awesome Shopkins. I love them all.
Yeah, but Fizzy, if you had to pick a favorite, who would it be?
Pick a favorite? Oh, so hard. My favorites would be Erica Eraser. What about you, Miss Hands?
Well, Fizzy, mine would have to be Washa.
Oh yeah, that one was super cute too. Alright guys, if you like Shopkins and you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up in the air like you just don't care. Woo! And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so I can show you more Shopkins and more cool toys. Okay?